Yes, I can answer you that. So I need to understand what you could do and for how much, because I need to go to the association and I need to tell them that this is the budget, this is possible to do. We can do it in 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. And what we need is to decide on,
Okay.
are they hosting website or are you hosting
Okay, sir.
website?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I got your concern. But one thing that is we must need to know, or we should know the detailed requirement. And do we need to work with existing website or we need to work with completely new website? That depends actually. If it's an existing website, then with that we have to afford more, and we need to understand their project first. After that, we need to import our new code actually. Did you get my point? So in that case, the scenario will be different. So I
Okay.
can give you an overall estimation so that whenever you will ask them and you can answer them, or you can further ask them anything, or you can continue a discussion after
Perfect.
getting your answer from them. So I
Perfect.
can give you an estimation. Okay.
Perfect.
I need, okay. Can you see my screen?
It's coming. Yep.
Okay, I have one more question, sir. Can you see this?
Yep.
Who gave this requirement?
I created this requirement.
Okay, I got it. From that video, you have created this requirement or the total overall discussion?
No. I created this requirement. I sent it to the other company and they came back with whatever they have.
Okay, got it. Okay, these are the things you have offered.
Sorry, these are the things that
These are the things you have offered to them.
these are the things that I suggested them, and but you see, they already had a product available, so they did not develop anything. They just show me what they have.
Okay, but can you please ask him a question so that it could be better for us? Do we need to work for an existing project or overall new project?
No, no. If so, these guys want to sell it. The video that you showed is the provider that wants to sell it, their loyalty program. What you will do, if we agree, you will need to create everything according to your way.
Okay.
So
Got it.
the only thing outside of you will maybe that we will need to put it on the association URL. But everything will need to be developed based on you.
Yeah, I got your concern. The thing is, if it's an existing website or framework matters actually. If it's an WordPress website or if that's become an WordPress website, in that case, that will be low budget development. WordPress doesn't require any coding skill, okay? And if that existing project be PHP, Laravel, or React, or any other framework, Node.js, something like this, then in that case, we have to go through raw code, okay? It will take time comparing to WordPress. Did you get my point? So it's better if we know the thing that is it a new requirement or is it existing project or new?
No, I think it's new, and whatever framework I would like you to suggest.
Okay. Whatever framework will you suggest me?
No. You can suggest me. I only know what is the end. I only know what is the end product.
Okay, I got it. Of course I suggest you raw coding, PHP, Laravel, or React.js, or both framework. We should not go through WordPress. because it's just a drag and drop, okay? And project
I,
after some days project will be very bulky, but with no use.
I absolutely agree. I mean, I know that they probably created that in WordPress because they are good in WordPress, but absolutely, I will follow your advice. We don't have to copy them. What you saw on the video is just, it's your competition.
Okay, how can
So
we copy them? It's not possible, actually.
no, you don't copy them. No, you don't copy them. But you need to know what the others are doing.
Okay. Of course, I will discuss with the client what are the requirements. Then I will design and fulfill the requirements. That's the process.
But first, uh, based on this, can you give me a ballpark figure of the time and the budget? I mean, you already have, but maybe now you have more information, more insight.
Okay.
If
The
you
actual
review that,
requirement. Okay, you got it. I can understand the actual requirement after seeing this video. Is it?
yes.
Okay, then I need to recheck it to calculate budget or time frame. Please allow me some time more. I will
Oh,
confirm it within tomorrow, inshallah.
no, no problem at all. No problem at all.
Okay, thank you,
I
sir.
will have I will have a conversation with the association next week. So yeah,
Okay, great.
there's no pressure.
Okay,
And
great.
just so we have some projects. The Elites LMS, everything is working fine and great and it's fantastic. All I need to do is finish it. So you have to be we all have to be patient. The other project that we have submitted about collecting data from hotels, it goes into European Union funding program. There is a lot of programs that is added there. We are waiting for the results. If we get the results and if they are positive, I will come to you and say, we have to create the team. This is the budget. We have to create the team and we need to start working on the product. But we are waiting. It can take weeks or even months for the funding projects to come back. And this is something new, which I think we can pick up realistically with that association, and that association I think should be realistic to pay for the development to you. And what we should do is once we have this product developed, then we would be able to resell it into other associations.
Okay.
So
This,
my
okay, got it.
idea is that if we create the project for them, they sponsor it, they pay for it, they can use it, but then every other association will additionally pay, and obviously we will share whatever they pay.
Okay, let's see. Let's wait for the project then. Hope we will take
Okay.
it over.
Okay. And I have one more question for you.
Okay.
Do you scrape websites?
Sorry, didn't get your point.
Do you scrape websites?
Scrape means?
Going to a website and getting the data from the website. The scraping bots.
Are you talking about maintenance?
No. So I'm talking about
Or data
creating.
entry? Scraping means
Sorry.
I didn't get your point actually. What does it mean by
Uh,
scrape? Is it reskinning?
I'm not sure what that is. So when you do you website scraping?
What it what
Can you Google? Can
how
you
to
Google
use
that?
the scrape actually? How to do it? Scrape. Can you tell me the spelling? SC.
Can you just SCRAPI scrape? Yes. Maybe add website scrape.
Okay, let me see.
Just add website.
Okay,
Yeah.
you want to clear cache or something like this.
No. Can you Google website scrape?
Okay, SCRAPE, scrape.com or something like this.
Uh,
Can you see my
no.
screen?
Yes, I can. But can you Google scrape website? Add website into the search.
Okay. Web scraping is the process of using bots to extract content and data from your website. Okay, it's a bot process.
Yeah.
Okay, which system you want to integrate? In which system? LMS?
It's not an integration. So what my company is doing is we are scraping the websites for hotel and airline prices. What that
Okay,
means,
great.
if you go, for example, to ba.com.
Okay, I understand. I understand this. ba.com,
Yeah.
is it?
Yes.
Was this domain available for them?
So
Okay,
for
British
example,
Airways.
yes. So for example, we create bots that will come to this website, select a journey, let's say London to Madrid, select a date.
Okay.
If you
Should I
select
type?
London,
Should I type?
yeah. Type London.
Okay.
You can select, yeah, let's say Madrid. There you go.
Okay.
And you have one date, okay, and then find flights. Yeah, you can leave that and find flights. So our bot will go to this website, select the route, the date. It will come in here and scrape all this data that is on this site. So you can see I'm collecting prices. For the flight at 620, I'm getting 466 price, and for business is 706. For 735, it's this price. For 820, it's this price. And the bot would do that for, let's say, 100 days. So this is for one date. Then I need to go and check for another date, another date, and another date. So that means that this bot is pinging this website very often. And this website, when you do it very often, has a blocking mechanism. So they see unusual behavior and they block you. And so we need to unblock it. I mean, we need to find a way how to have not been blocked. Is that something? I mean, I obviously it doesn't show that you are familiar with this, but do you know anyone who can do it?
Okay, I just need to be sure. I just missed 2 points actually. You need bot here, or you need to store your previous data also.
I need to get this data from this website for 100 days out. So for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and next 100 days, and store it. Yes.
Okay, you do not own this website. In that case, you want to store this data, something like this.
Exactly. I want to know that I want to store that 620 flight to Madrid on this date is costing economy 466 and business 703. And tomorrow, the
Okay.
same data. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, same data.
Okay, I got your concern. I got your idea actually. You want a auto-clickable bot or auto-copying bot, something like this, who will do this
Yes.
task, copy paste in your Excel sheet or anywhere or in your website.
Yes, but you cannot do it manually.
Yeah, we cannot do it manually. Yeah, I got your point. We cannot do it manually. This will be done by automated system.
Right. But like I tell you, these websites do not like bots, so they have anti-blocking mechanism.
I think this type of system can be developed using Python, but currently not available, or they can task only specific. They can sorry. I mean,
No,
they
go
are
ahead.
pre-programmed actually. They are pre-programmed. That's why their tasks actually limited, very limited, and we cannot do
Exactly.
actually this type of things.
Okay. So we have a team in South India that are working on this, but they are not perfect. And
Okay.
the company is
Which
looking.
language they are using? Which language they are using?
I think they use Python, but maybe
Okay,
some
as
other
far I have seen,
languages.
Python maybe.
Yeah, but
No
they
other
use.
language is possible.
I
But
think Node.js as well is possible.
yeah,
But the thing is
Python
that
is not also.
the thing is that they are using different IP addresses, different proxies, different signatures in order not to be identified by this anti-blocking mechanisms. It's kind of a hard game, but it's a well-paid game.
As far I know, these things are not possible actually, because the data you are looking for or you want to store, suppose 620 to 955,
Yeah,
this data you want to store, or according to this time you want to store this data,
yep,
economy, business, this
yep,
data. Okay, these things are not possible because this britishairways.com are using API to store this data, or to reflect here, or to reflect any other website, this type of things.
yep.
So these things are not possible without API, as you know.
But we do scrape that.
And of course, you can do that, and that is possible as I understand. You have to open that screen every day or always, and a bot will do these things manually for you. And that bot will click on a specific place or specific pixel by pixel. It's actually pixel by
Exactly,
pixel task, okay? Within
exactly.
this frame. Okay. This is the way, this way the thing can be done, but this is so time consuming.
It
And need to
takes
research a
some
lot
time.
actually.
Do you do you know any other way to get this information from the website?
No, I don't know actually.
Okay. Well, keep
Don't
this.
know means I don't know means the thing is I understand technology, how technology works. I can have lackings, I must can have lackings, but I know how the technology works. According to that, I gave you the solution, or I always give the solution. I think you
Mhm.
get my point.
Yeah,
So this
absolutely.
technology is not available actually. No one can do this. Without API, no one can get this data automatically. Otherwise,
Well,
API could not be invented.
we do. My company
Okay,
is doing that from
okay,
scraping.
okay. That is pixel by pixel task actually. I think within this
Uh,
screen, that is pixel by pixel task.
either that or well, I don't know how they do it, but they go to the back page of this website where this data is, and they scrape it. And the problem is that the problem is not to get this data once. The problem is that they go to that website many times, because if they want 100 days and if they want 100 routes, it becomes heavy on the website, and this is when the website blocks. So the bots that they create are imitating people, just like people would come to here and have a look at the prices. But then they have, 10,000 people, 10,000 bots doing that, getting that information. But don't worry about it. I mean, if you're not familiar with that's obviously okay. I was just trying to ask if you can, because that would be something that the company I'm working
okay, no
would be
problem.
interested.
I'm just interested. I'm just asking, okay. I like to know actually. So I missed one point. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Okay. Uh, you said that your company or your staff are missing something. That's why the issue is occurring, and they almost did this actually. They almost did this. Something is missing. What is missing part? They are sending the data in your website.
They are the whole company is living from collecting this data from internet, but there are some difficult sources which are creating problems, and we are looking for anyone in the world to see if they can figure it out.
Okay. In group or in other things, the system actually the things cannot be worked with dynamically actually. It's working for few websites, something like this, or few groups.
There's a lot of websites that you can get the data from, but each website may be different.
Okay, my concern is if it is not a pixel by pixel task, suppose here is 100 by 100, sorry, 1000 by 1000 pixels. So within that pixel, this 620 situated at 16, sorry, 500.500 pixel or 500 comma 500 pixel. Okay, and this one is situated at 500 or 500 comma 600 pixel, something like this. Okay, so I think the tasks are solved such this way, and whenever it will come this 500 comma 600 pixel, this will, and if it got any text something like which is meaningful, in that case it will reflect or it will send the data something like this. This way your system works actually, I think.
Maybe.
Well, that's why this is not working dynamically, or this is not working for all the websites. Some logics
Yeah,
are missing or something are missing.
every website has a different script, a different
Yeah.
bot.
Different script or different content, and it's not matching with the actual content or actual logic. That's why it's missing or providing any garbage value or something like this. This can be happen.
Exactly. But don't worry about it.
Okay, no problem. I'm
We
also very
have
busy with tasks.
we have these projects, so let's just focus on them.
Okay, but I wish to, I really wish to launch your content, or I really wish to see your content on Elite LMS actually, but I can't see. Every time I knock you and I say you to upload content.
I know,
So
but
that,
really, I have look. I'm working 12 hours per day, and there is no time more for me to focus. Maybe on the weekends I can focus more and start uploading Elite LMS. So I will do it.
okay, can I suggest you something?
Sure.
As you are doing Elite LMS as your business purpose, or you are doing, we will do business through Elite LMS website and mobile app. So I think you should invest something so that you will reach the break-even point. If you invest something, then you can upload your content very fast, and you can run your website, and you also can sell your contents. So you will reach your break-even point very soon. So this way should be better, I think, for you. So you think on it and do this process if you think it better.
What are you saying? I'm not sure if I understand.
Okay, you didn't get my point actually.
I'm not sure. So you're saying that I should treat this as investment, and yeah, I understand that as soon as I launch it, then I will get the return from that. I know.
Yeah. I'm saying that if you can fix a budget for your content and for a certain time of period, let's suppose 1 month. After 1 month, your LMS, Elite LMS website will be publicly available. And after 1 month, you can sell your content and you can reach your break-even point very soon. I'm saying so. Hello?
Yes, I'm here, but I'm not sure what you're trying to say.
Okay. Let's forget it.
No, but please explain me. What do you mean if I set the budget?
No. I'm just suggesting you actually. Nothing else.
You're suggesting me to set up the budget for what?
For LMS content, so that it can be available very soon.
But what does that mean if where is the content from?
Okay. You want to upload content by yourself or you want to create your own content?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm saying that, or I'm suggesting that you hire someone else to create contents for you.
Right. Okay.
So that it can be launched very soon and your LMS site can be run because you become very busy.
But how will someone create a content if the know-how is in my head? So if I want to create a training, if I want to create a training for sales, so okay, so let's what kind of content can you create for trainings?
Sorry, you have to look for it. You have to look for it. If you tell me to create content for Flutter development or Laravel or React.js, I can do that things. But if you want, or if you look for trainer, in that case, you have to look for it. Did you get my point?
Yes. So my plan is to first.
Okay, you need to set your content plan first. What type of content you will provide and what will be your targeted customer? Who will be your targeted customer?
Yeah, I already know. So the categories are already there. But
okay, great.
My trainings will be there. I just need to create them and upload them. So the target audience is hotels, for example. And I have a category of sales in the hotel industry. So I need to create that as my own training. And then I will start looking for other trainers who can start adding their own trainings. But the trainers are from hotel industry because they need to have an experience and know-how from hotels.
Don't you know someone like this who works on this sector?
I know, but I need to do my own first.
I got your concern.
Because I want my to sell as well.
Okay. Then you can separate a specific time and work on it. Otherwise, the LMS site cannot be launched.
I know. And thanks for worrying, but I know that.
Sir.
I know that.
Please don't mind, sir. Don't mind for
absolutely
my
no. Thank you for your concerns. Thank you for caring.
Okay, sir. Thanks for understanding. Okay, then let me check the video. I will tell you the overall things, or I will tell you the concept.
That would be great. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. I know it's late. It's already midnight with you. So
Okay.
Thanks.
I'm
And
also working. I'm working. I'm very busy with this. I will again get back to the work after finishing this
okay.
conversation.
Oh well. Okay. Well,
Oh,
take care then, and let's talk soon.
okay, sir. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Okay, sir. Be good.